Hi, my name is Michaela Harris, and I'm an owner and operator of Timberlake Marketing along with my husband, Christian Harris. We wanted to take the time to kind of show you what customers are seeing when they try to pull up your business on Google or try to search for plumbing services, just to see what kind of traffic you're getting from the internet and who all can basically find you. The end goal here is that even if you choose not to use our services, you still at least walk away with some knowledge that can help your business in the future. So first off, when I pull up your business on Google, I'm not seeing an actual website. I'm seeing a Facebook page, which is good, and several other places referring back to your company. But as for this, all I'm seeing is your Google My Business, which will show up in the Maps section, and that you have 4 reviews with 2 stars. So if I was a customer and I was looking for a plumbing service in Scottsboro, Alabama, and I went to Google, the first thing I'm going to see is that I don't see your business here. Most people are going to go with the first ones they see that have websites, they can see good reviews. If you were to pull this up, you would see that you are 5th in this map section with only 4 reviews and 2 stars. No website, so most customers are not going to go with a company that they can't see a website. It's a trust thing. They want to see companies that have a lot of reviews, website, they can search their services. They're more likely to go with a company that they're going to trust for those reasons. The other thing is when we scroll down and we see your top 2 competitors, this one has a lot of locations, not just in Scottsboro. They're going to be harder to beat out. If you go somewhere like Mr. Rooter, that's a local service, you take and pull up their website in this tool we call Ahrefs, which is to the right of the screen. You put their URL in here, and you can see everything about their website. What does Google see when they try to read their website? So this is how powerful they are and how trustworthy. In Google's eyes, they're very trustworthy. They don't have that many backlinks. They only get 15 people clicking per month, but that's 15 more than what you would have otherwise. So they're not going to be hard to beat out, and one of the main things is going to be getting a website up so that you can rank above them. And to do that, to have a good website, you're going to need a lot of good content, at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on the homepage with good keywords. So to know what those keywords need to be, we can click on your top competitors and the keywords they use, and we can see where they rank. So if you look here, this is going to tell you where exactly they rank. So this column right here is going to show you where they're ranking when someone searches those terms. If they search plumber in Scottsboro, they rank number 1. If they search in for Skyline, they rank number 2. If, let's see, Scottsboro water, sewer, and gas services, they rank number 1. So these are some keywords that you could put in your own content to help get you above them. The other tool we use is called WhiteSpark, where you can compare your website to theirs, which I don't have a comparison to make, but you can go to WhiteSpark and do a local search and find where your website, how many citations your website has versus how many citations your competitor has. If they have more citations than you, click on their citations, and you can submit your business to all kinds of places like Yelp or Facebook, wherever they're submitting theirs to get those citations. That's what's going to put you above your competition, but the main thing is going to be getting a good website. So if you go take a look at their website, let's see, mrrooter.com. If we pull up their website, you'll see that they have a lot of good content, but nothing that can't be beat. So when we pull up their website, you look, they don't have a lot of just organic content, like a lot of words. They have a little bit about their services, which is good. But when Google is reading this page, as you can see, they only had 11 keywords. So 11 keywords is not going to be hard to beat at all. Another thing Google's going to look at is what is your page descriptions. So when you build a website, there's a lot of internal things you can do, such as page descriptions and page titles that is going to draw attention to your website over someone else's a lot better. If we look, they don't have that many pages. So Again, it's not going to be hard to beat this competitor out with a good website. You'll be able to get to that top page, that first page of Google where most people are going to click over this company pretty easily. It just takes the right amount of content, the right words, and the right kind of backlinks. Now, like I said, this is purely educational. We do hope that you choose to go with our services, but if not, I hope you at least walk away from this little video with a little bit of knowledge that's going to help your company. Please don't hesitate to reach out to us if you'd like to know more or if you have any other questions. Thank you for your time.